Hey guys. Okay, it is Father's Day and I forgot to wrap his presents, but he's still asleep, so I need to take these off. Actually, I need to turn this off. Okay, so I'm getting ready to wrap his presents real quick before he gets up. I'm gonna move this. And I noticed on my last vlog that when I was doing those pills, my vlog camera is terrible right now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm gonna be using my phone because the sound was bad, the lighting was bad, and it's just so much better on my phone. So I'm just gonna be using my phone. I should have put it on this tripod with the ring light, but it seems like there's enough light, right? And I just wanted to do it real quick while I wrap these presents. I was going to show you what I got him. I didn't get him very much. I wanted to go get him some shorts, but you know, it didn't happen. Like, money's tight, and I had already got him these, so luckily he got something. Plus I got him, ooh, I'll go get it. I forgot. I got him, I don't think I showed you guys. I'll go get it. I gave it to him already so that he could use it because, well, you'll see when I show you. But I'll show you these two first, and then I'll go down and get those so that I can get these wrapped. He likes these. I got him one pair for Christmas. Christmas? Yeah. I got him a pair, and I got my son a pair. My son's, I got his in all black. I probably showed them to you at Christmas time. Anyways, I got him these Camo pants. They're like cargo pants. Now, the other ones had a string that cinched this up, so I don't know if he's going to like these, because when he first put the other ones on, he's like, they're too long. And I'm like, well, you got to cinch up the string, and then they'll be as short as you want them to be, because they'll just stay, and he likes them now. So I got him another pair, but they're different, because those other ones that I got him for Christmas, they were like $45 a pair. These ones were a lot less. I don't know how much, but I will link them below in case you guys want to know. Because I got them on Amazon. I got him two pairs. I got him this, and they're two different brands. So I got him that one. And then I got him this one. I don't remember opening it, but it's open. Oh, I did open it because I got something else in there at the same time. Why does this say extra large? I did not order an extra large. Well, hopefully they're not, because I think I ordered him 34s. That's not extra large, is it? Anyway, we'll see. It's written in Chinese or something, so I can't see what size it is. Oh my gosh, it's got so many tags. Yeah, extra large is size 34. Oh well, that's what he wears, a 34, so. Oh, see, this one's got the string. So these ones were probably more expensive, but they weren't the $45 ones. Anyways, these ones are kind of a green, and these ones are gray. So I got him those two, and then I'm gonna run downstairs and get the other two things I got for him, because they're cool. So this is what I got him to work out in the field because it's so hot. See, it's a hat, and it's got this to cover his neck, and it's got vents in it, and then these are fans, and they just go around your neck, and then they have a little button right here with 3 speeds on it. Oh, and they have lights, and the lights change colors. Is that not like the most awesome thing? And then let me see if I can turn on the fan. Let's see, that was the, whoops, turn the light off. Can you hear the fan? I don't know if you can see it. See my hair blowing? I don't want to get my hair caught in it though. They're the bomb. These are so great because you can turn them sideways and aim them at your face. My hair's in the way. I would not wear these with my hair down. I would put it in a ponytail or braid or something. But aren't they cool? I feel my hair getting caught. So it's time to turn it off. and hopefully it will come out. See, I got caught. I'm sure it's wound up in there good too. Oh, there. That wasn't bad. I don't feel any that got broke off. Anyway, these are the other two things, and I like these so much. After I got them, I ordered me a pair. Mine are white, but they still have the same lights. So let's see. I think that the lights have 3 settings too. So there's one, and this one changes colors. And then this one, it just stays whatever color when you change it. So if you go to first one and you want to stay, well, that didn't work. Okay, that's the first one. If you want to stay green, no, I guess it's just blue. Yeah, you can have it multicolored or blue, which is weird, but that's what it does. I thought you could pick a color and make it stop there, but you can't. Anyway, now I'm gonna wrap these presents. Let's turn this off. Oh, and then I can show you this. Ugh. I'm gonna pull my hair back to do this too because it's gonna be in my way. So this is what they look like. See? And then this part's flexible so you can move it however you want. It's awesome. And it's got 3 speeds like my little fan that I use for my makeup. So that's what he got. He got these 2 early though, so he already knows about those, but he doesn't know about the pants. So that's what I'm gonna wrap right now, and I'm gonna fast forward to do it. There we go, 3 pieces of tape, because he's just gonna tear it up. So, anyways, whoops. I will check back in with you guys later, because we're gonna paint my toes. So let's just get the dust off, and we're gonna put red on them. So, and I like to start off with the first coat being super, super thin, because as you probably noticed, my toenails kind of point upward. So if I put too thick, then it just gathers down here. So I like to put a really thin coat on first to try and help it not do that. And I'm really, 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 really bad at painting my toenails. Well, painting my nails at all. See how bad I am? Luckily that stuff will come right off in the shower. When it gets on your skin, it comes off pretty easy. And I cut my nails really, really short, so I usually always get it on my toes. So, and then since I keep them so short, I have very short nail beds anyways. Painting the rest of my toes, not my big toe, is like, just like it's barely there. So I definitely get it on my toes. But I thought red was a good color for going to California. I really usually put not gel on my toes, just because it's a pain to take off. I usually just take it off with a file though. Of course, I leave it on forever. My hair is in my face. The main reason I like to use gel is so that I don't have to wait for it to dry, because I'm terrible about messing it up. So anyways, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna do another coat. Okay, it's done. So now I'm gonna put on a second coat. This one I still try to keep it pretty thin, but I want it a little thicker because I don't want to do more than 2 coats. But I don't want it to run back to my, you know, and pool up down here. So that's enough of that. Okay, I'm gonna dry this one, and then I'll come back and we'll do the clear coat. Okay, now I'm going to put a clear coat, a top coat on it. And then we're done. Well, then I have to wait like an hour, and then I'm gonna put lotion on it and get all that extra off. This just makes it nice and shiny. Now I'm going to cook this, and then I'll be back in like an hour with lotion on my feet. Okay guys, this is what they look like when they're all done. I forgot to come back in yesterday. This is the next day. So that's the end of this segment. We will be moving on to the next segment, and I think I'm going to do a speed makeup thing. So I'll check back in later. Hey guys, I thought we would go to town, and so I thought, well, you know what? I'll just do one of those speed makeup things again. From here on out, it's going to be in high speed. And I'm going to do the CATRICE with the TikTok method. So, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm going to wrap this video up for this week. I think I have enough clips in it, and I want to keep it under 20 minutes. That's my goal. It's to always keep them under 20 minutes. That way they're in the teens. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. And if you want to see my cat, I'm going to show him to you in a minute. Mwah! Let's see there he is. Hey, buddy. Hey, turn around. Hey, weirdo. I can't see you. There you are. Where is he? There he is. There's my big boy. He's a big lazy boy. A big lazy boy. Big old fur ball. All right. See you next week, guys.